Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you what to do when your fingerprint sensor on your OnePlus 12R isn't working. As you can see here, we do have our fingerprint sensor and it's not working. So let me at first unlock my device. And at first we need to go to the settings. Here, scroll all the way down, maybe not all the way, but halfway down to the security and privacy right there, and scroll down to the device unlock. Here, tap fingerprint and face unlock, and tap on the fingerprint. Here, under your pattern, and before that, what I do recommend doing is to wipe the area of your fingerprint sensor right here and test this whole thing out. Because if you do have some, for example, screen protector, it may just cause any interference and you have to remove the screen protector. Or if you do have just a very, very blank, very, very normal screen, it can be just dirty. So now you have to test your fingerprint out, and if it does work, that's nice. But if it doesn't, you have to tap these three lines near your now current fingerprint, delete and delete. Here, tap add fingerprint, tap add now, and now, as you can see, I do have this notification to clean my finger or clean my fingerprint sensor, even though it's clean. So mine still doesn't work as yours sometimes. It's because I do have my screen protector on, so don't worry. Let's now enroll the fingerprint edges. Now, as you can see, we do have our fingerprint added. Tap done, and here now everything should be working just fine. As you can see, it is in my phone. If it still doesn't work in yours, you have to remove the screen protector, as I said, because it may cause any interference, etc. Or you can go back, go back, scroll all the way down to the system and update, software update, and as I can see, I don't have the network connection now, but here if you do, and if you do see the software update your software immediately, because you may have some quick fix of your bug. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.